हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आप लोगों का स्वागत है नॉलेज की दुनिया में। तो आज हम नॉलेज की दुनिया में सीखेंगे 7 वंडर्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, दुनिया के 7 अजूबों के बारे में। तो पहला अजूबा हमारा है द ग्रेट वॉल ऑफ चाइना। द ग्रेट वॉल ऑफ चाइना इज एन एंशिएंट वॉल इन चाइना। द वॉल इज मेड ऑफ सीमेंट, रॉक्स, ब्रिक्स एंड पाउडर डर्ट। इट वॉज फिनिश्ड इन 1878 and it was meant to protect the north of the empire of China from enemy attacks. It is the longest structure humans have ever built. It is about 21,196 किलोमीटर, अप्रॉक्स में कहूँ तो 13,171 मील, लॉन्ग 99.1 मीटर मीन्स 30 फीट मीटर लंबा है, एंड वाइड एंड 50 मीटर्स हाइट है। The earlier sections on the wall are made of compacted dirt and stone. Later in the Ming dynasty they used brick. There are 7,000 watch tower, blockhouse for soldiers and become to send smoke signal. 19 walls have been built that were called the Great Wall of China. The first was built in the 7th century BC. The most famous wall was built between 226-220 BC by the first emperor of China, Qin Shi Huang, Qin pronounced as Qin, during the Qin dynasty. Not much of this will remain as people have been stealing from it. It was much farther north than the current wall. The current wall was built during the Ming dynasty. Rumors about astronauts being able to see the Great Wall of China from the moon are scientifically not proven. The Great Wall has shown up in radar images taken from space, but scientists are sure it is not possible for astronauts to see the wall with a naked eye in space. One astronaut who spoke about the visibility of the Great Wall from space was Neil Armstrong. Now, second, Chichen Itza. Chichen Itza is a Mayan city on the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico, which flourished in the 9th and 10th century CE. Under the Mayan tribade Itza, a number of important monuments and temples were built in Chichen Itza. There are many temples and pyramids at Chichen Itza. Among the most notable in the stepped pyramid Inai Castillo, which rises 79 feet above the main plaza, a testament to the Mayans' astronomical abilities. The structure features a total of 365 steps. The number of days in the solar year during the spring and autumnal equinox, the setting sun casts shadow on the pyramid that give the appearance of a serpent slithering down. The north stairway at the base is a stone snake head. Chichen Itza is home to the largest stalactite in the America. Tourists or visitors were once able to climb some of the pyramids, but it was quite challenging because the steps are very steep and small. The steps pyramid called Inai Castillo. Third, Petra, Jordan. Petra is an ancient stone complex built by the Nabateans situated in Jordan's southwestern desert. It is believed to have established around 300 BC, means before Christ era, located in the south of Jordan between the Dead Sea and the Red Sea. Petra is a long drive from Man, added to the new 7 wonders of the world. Recently, it was a forgotten city which was rediscovered by Swiss explorer it in 1812. This architectural wonder is carved directly into the pink sandstone cliff faces, creating a fantastic view for the visitors. Now, fourth, Machu Picchu, Peru. Machu Picchu is an Incan city. According to historians, the architectural complex was built in the 15th century approximately by the Inca Pachacutec. The former use of this place remains a mystery. The Incas built the city on a mountain ridge 2430 meters above the sea level. They lived there between 1200 and 1450 AD. Other people there before about 650 AD. The Incas built houses, fields, and temples by cutting the rock on the mountain so it was flat. Machu Picchu was declared a Peruvian historical sanctuary in 1981 and a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1983. In 2007, Machu Picchu was voted one of the new 7 wonders of the world in a worldwide internet poll. Today, there is a new road so that tourists can visit. People can also walk along the Inca Trail or take a train from Cusco. Now, fifth, Cristo the Redeemer, Brazil. Cristo the Redeemer is a statue of Jesus Christ in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. It was built between 1922 and 1931 and stands 30 meters tall. It sits on a 8-meter pedestal on the peak of the 700-meter. The statue weighs 635 metric tons. Usually, Christ statue come with a cross, but this one has open arms, which are depicted as a symbol of peace. History: the first electric railway in Brazil was built in the late 1800s. At the time, people would go to the top of the Carcovada mountain to enjoy the panoramic view of the city below. Construction started in 1926 and took 5 years. During that time, workers have not any safety equipment. It was risky work, but during the entire construction period, no workers killed. The statue was finished in 1931. It was built to celebrate the 100-year anniversary of Brazil's independence from Portugal. The statue was built in France by the sculptor Paul Landowski. Sixth, Roman Colosseum, Rome. Rome is an elegant ancient city. Rome is the capital of Italy. The construction of the Colosseum started around 70-72 AD and was finished in 80 AD. Emperor Vespasian started all the work and Emperor Titus completed the Colosseum. Emperor Domitian made some changes to the building between 81-96 AD. It had seating for 50,000 people. It was 156 meters wide, 189 meters long and 57 meters tall. It is the biggest amphitheater built by the Roman Empire. Now you will feel like you are in the set of Gladiator movie once you enter this place. 7. Taj Mahal, India. Taj Mahal is a symbol of love. The Taj Mahal is a mosque-like building and tomb built in the 16th century by the Mughal Emperor Shahjahan in memory of his wife Mumtaz Mahal. The building is in the city of Agra, Uttar Pradesh. It is located on the south bank of Yamuna River in Agra. It is a white structure that took more than 20,000 laborers and 1,000 elephants to complete. Taj Mahal is one of the most beautiful buildings in the world. It is one of India's biggest tourist attraction. It is a splendid monument, but because of pollution or acid rain in the nearby Yamuna basin, the Taj Mahal is turning yellow. A nearby oil refinery has been blamed for some of the damage. It was listed as one of the 7 wonders of the world in 2007.